Hello Figaholic friends. It's late in the day, about 8 o'clock p.m. on August 5th, and I had to go away for a few days, take our son to a new job he was starting. And this fruit here was almost ripe when I left, and maybe it's a little bit overripe now. And it's Shinshar or Shenshare. I'm not sure the pronunciation. You can look at the spelling in the title of the video. Some fruit have a split eye. This one here did not the other day, and I saw a bird pecking that fruit. There's another fruit back here that's almost ripe but not quite, but let's see how this one is. I got this from my friend Nick, and he reported that he was waiting for his to ripen and the bird got his, so I lucked out. They were going for a fruit that was higher up in the tree. As I understand it, this is a Smyrna type fig, and I'll look at my notes here. It's late in the day and my brain's a little tired. I think from Israel or Palestine, I forget. It's supposed to be a very good fig. Let me see. Very nice. Please excuse the chewing. You can hear maybe some seed crunch sound there. Very jammy. A moderate berry flavor. Very sweet. Nice jammy. I would just say a mild berry flavor or moderate berry flavor, I guess. But very juicy and jammy fig. You can see this was grafted onto another tree. This is the same tree I have a lot of other grafts on, especially Bordeaux Negro Ramada. And this was originally a Panache tree, and it's one of my older trees, and it's grown vigorously for me, and I have used it as a host for grafting new varieties to get it established faster, because I have two other Panaches already, and also a Bordeaux Blanco Ramada, which is probably the same thing. So I started air layering this, but I didn't want to remove it. I'm not even sure I'll remove it before the end of the year. I kind of undecided. I might set another air layer on this higher up, and because this branch was getting shaded out by some other trees, I've cut those back so it can grow better. But anyway, let's take another look. Again, Shinshar. Thanks for watching.